Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog again is basically gonna be unpacking new Pokemon cards. Okay, so here it goes, and okay, I'm gonna show to you. So I'm gonna show to you all the cards, but I will divide it by two since it is 10 box of cards today, and I'm gonna make it 5. Okay, so 5 today and 5 on to the next vlog. Okay, so here goes, and it's gonna start it up. So today, okay, here it goes. So we have another 10 box of Pokemon cards, and I'm gonna make it into 5. Okay, I'm gonna make it into 5 cards. So I'm gonna pick. Okay, so I'm gonna pick cards over here so that I'm gonna pick some cards. Okay, and some of these are what is this called, the same. Okay, so it's just the same again. Sword and Shield, Brilliant Stars. Okay, and this is the Spanish version. So I'm gonna pick one of this one. So, pick one over here. I'm gonna pick also pick this one and pick this, and also this one and this one. So this, okay, this second 5 is gonna be on to the next day. Okay, and also I have some one over here that is also the Charizard. So I'm not expecting that there will be a Charizard in here. Okay, so I'm gonna make this into the last one. So let's go and open it first. Okay, let's go. Okay, just gonna open it first right here. So here it is, the last one. So okay, here it goes, another Cinderace, Alaxray, Dodrio, Chutol, Gradient, Boltan, Phantom, Corvisquire, Tyranitar, Luxray again, Impidimp, Sizzlipede, Palosand, Mew, Rotom, Celebi, Dreadnought, Breloom, Beware, Trevenant, Boltant, Genesect, Cufant, Morgrem, Sizzlipede, Indeedee, Mew, Toxel, and here it goes. Okay, Charina V, and let's go. What is this in the last one? Okay, oops, it's a green one. It's a green one. A fire, a leaf. Who, Arilla Boom. Yes, okay, nice one. Yes, it's Arilla Boom. So I'm gonna have to, okay, Arilla Boom, Arilla Boom holographic. So here it goes. Okay, a holographic Rillaboom. Okay, so on to the next one. Okay, there it goes. So okay, and the last one over here. So another Beware, Trevenant, Boltan, Genesect, Cufant, Morgrem, Sizzlipede, Indeedee, another Mew, Toxel, Charina, Arrokuda, Appleton, Simisear, and what is this? Agraven, Double, Jupiter, Simisear, Pikachu, Shaman V-Star. Okay, V-Astro. Okay, Morpeko, Centiscorch, Dracloak, Boltan, VMAX. Put that over here, and then Toxicity, Crabominable, Snow, Green Ninja, and okay, what is this one? What is this one? Okay, let's gonna open it. Okay, Rillaboom again. It's a Rillaboom. Ooh, nice. Oh, nice. Okay, nice. Look at that. Oh, nice. Relabone VMAX. Yes, it's a Relabone VMAX. Okay. uh, Hoping I get another AV. I'm just hoping that I can get another EVs. So the next, on to the next. Okay, and then okay, and this is the last one over here. Okay, another NDD. New Toxel, Charina, Arcoda, Appleton, Simisir, and what is this? Okay, Graben, Adabo Locario, Togedemaru, Grimsnarl, Centiscorch, Drippy, Mio, Toxtricity, Chandler, Barosakyoda, Mio again, Graplakt, Jupiter, Simisir again, Pikachu, and another Shaman V Astro, Morpeko, Centiscorch, Dracloak, Boltan VMAX. Okay. What is this? Okay. Okay. Rillaboom again. Okay. Another Rillaboom. So no, there's no new. Okay. There's no new again. So here we are in the next. On to the next. Okay. Hoping that we will get another one pick. Morpeko, Centiscorch, Draclo, Poltan, Toxtricity, Crabominable, Snow, Green Ninja, Phalanx, Araconid, Rokide, Boltan, Melmetal, Pangoro, Hitmore, Siglif, Grenade, Gradient VMAX, Shaman Alagen, Big Astro, Gengar, Frostmoth, Crabominable, Phalanx, and what is this? It's a variation, so this is a legendary Pokemon. Howlucha, Cinderace, Corviknight, Yveltal, and what is this? Okay, Oricorio, Sandygast. Okay, okay. What is this one? Aboltans. Okay, Aboltans. So there's no what's this called? So it's another. So let's go to the last one. Okay, let's go to the last one. Okay, and then the last one, another Toxtricity, Shadler, Baroscuda again, Mew, Raplak, Jupiter, Simisir, Pikachu again, Shaman, Morpeko, Centiscorch, Dracloak, Boltan, Toxtricity, Crabominable, Snom, Greninja, Phalanx, Araconid, Rokide, Boltan V, Melmetal, Pangoro, Hitmore, Sigilyph, okay, and a Gradient VMAX, and a Shaman again, a Gengar, and what is this? Okay, what is this? Okay. Oh, wow, nice. So nice. Gradient V, look at that. So with a bunch of baby what is this called, with a bunch of baby. So look at that. When you look at that, nice full art over here, nice full art. Look at that, nice one. Okay, so on to the last. Okay, on to the last. So what is this could be? Right, so this is the last one. Okay, and it's gonna open this up. Okay, just gonna open this up, and then What on earth? Okay. Okay. What on earth is this? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it goes. 4. What? It's a Calyrex V. Oh, nice. Okay. Nice. Okay. Nice hollow. Ice Rider Calyrex V. So I think, what is this? Nice one. Okay. Nice hollow part there. So, and also there's a Mimic UV. Ice Cube. Beartech. Baltoy. Stormy. Is a Kingler, a Magmar. Okay, so that is the hollow over here. So there's this Marnie, Trainer Marnie. Okay, and then Aluminium V, so Carablast, Howlocha, and Abe Barrel. So that's it. Okay, that's it for today's vlog, and okay, I hope you enjoy. So thank you so much for watching. Okay, and another not so good pick, but it's still worth it. Okay, so it's still worth it. So gotta grab this one. Okay, let's go. Gonna grab this holographic. So look at that. So this is the pick from the plastic. Okay, this is the Ice Rider Calyrex over here, and also a nice gradient. Okay, and then another Bolton. So here Bolton VMAX, a Relabom V. Okay, and another Relabom VMAX over here, and this one. Okay, and also another Shaman V as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. See you again in the next video. Okay, for the next unpacking of Pokemon cards here, Red Martian. So thank you.